Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mass production factories. These industrial powerhouses are responsible for churning out millions of products every year, and it's truly a sight to behold. At these factories, you'll find a symphony of machines, each performing their specific task, all working together in perfect harmony. From the assembly line to the packaging process, every step is meticulously planned and executed. What's truly satisfying about mass production factories is the sheer efficiency and precision with which they operate. Each worker has a specific role, and together, they create products that we use every day. So, the next time you pick up a product, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process that went into its creation. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world around us. Until next time, stay curious.